need it grouted. I need to go buy some platinum grout.
Oh, so what, he didn't put these up, he said he was going, I guess he thought you meant that you didn't want them up.
I did. We had agreed on that right on the spot.
I'm telling you.
That's why I was like, what the hell are we talking about?
Do you wanna, you want me to, see, I wanted that place open. To switch them out, they got places.
No, we'll just use the silver, that's fine.
It ain't a big deal, I can just go and switch them out. And get the colors that you want, like the white or whatever. And remember, because it's later on, and you don't have to do it now.
Because remember he said, oh, I already cut one of them
Right,
or
so
whatever.
we just lost one.
Okay, and then I even said it's perfectly fine if we use, because it's silver.
Right.
I think it'll look better with the white. I mean, it's
just
just
white.
Okay, well then.
That's what you want.
Yeah, I want it white. See, right here is where it's gonna go, and that's gonna make it look cheap with it being silver.
Right. Okay.
It's gonna look better with it white, just like how we got down south. We got white. Anyway. So yeah. So the floors are halfway done with all the tile work. All the drywall work is done. So I got my guys start painting. See, all the ceiling is done. It's gonna be all recessed lighting, the majority of it. And he's tiled the floor up in halfway into the kitchen area. Okay, this bathroom. You can see we've already had the R30 blown in. You can see a little bit of it is lifted up right there. You can see it. And it's a lot down here on the floor. See, this is what the installation looks like, the R30. So, that has been done. I have a real bad cold. I just got back from Utah. But just so you can see, this is me looking a mess. I know I probably look a mess. But anyway, so all the tile work is done in the bathrooms. He just has to do the inside of the around the window, and then grout it, and then do that little border that I was just saying I want in white and not silver. Put that border on. And all the drywall in here is also done. All the drywall for the whole house is done. It's drywall work. Had to be completed before we started the tile. And let me check this bathroom real quick. Wait a minute, I see something questionable over there, but I'll check that in a second. All right, so that's it. We're just giving y'all a little bit of update, and this is the last bathroom. So I'll come back later in the week and show it to y'all grouted and finished. I'm gonna use platinum grout or something close. If they don't have platinum, maybe I'll use what is it? DeVille? I don't know. I'm having a memory blank right now. But anyway, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update. And we're going to switch from using the thin set to the mortar, because when the people did the drywall work, they did put